Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we are joined by soulful Bohemian island girl, Miss Zia Benjamin. Welcome to Daytime Live.
Yes.
Big love. It's
You are
great
looking
being here.
beautiful.
As
Thank
always.
you.
Right?
You both are beautiful.
Oh,
Thank
Sheila,
you.
you are
No, I
mad.
mean, Zia, you've been on the scene for quite a while. Tell us, this year though seems to be a very special one. Why is that so for you?
Oh, every year is special, but this year I guess is particularly special because I put out a lot more music this year. So I have 2 singles that I'm working right now. Music video just came out via Billboard, which is really cool. And yeah, it's such a blessing. But yeah, Billboard premiered the last music video just a short while ago. And then my last single with ZJ Sparks, Rudy, that just got chosen by Ebro at Apple Music in New York as his Apple Music Discovery of the Week.
Okay,
All right.
So
that's amazing.
that's insane.
So you're going to be performing for us in a moment. What are you going to be performing?
Rudy.
Rudy. All right, well, I want to hear Rudy. So, Christina, Zia, stage is yours.
Hey, baby, forget him. He's man or man. You go regret it. Wasting your time. My man is leaving the past behind. You better put those dreams to sleep. I sing the lullaby. You better put those dreams to sleep. I sing the lullaby. Thank you very much. I'm Zia Benjamin.
That's my walk. That's my Rudy walk.
Run the track again, because I actually like it. I like you know. the
You
music
like
video
it?
Let's
so nice.
just clarify. This track has landed you on the cover for Tidal, right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that's
Tell us
amazing.
like huge.
Huge.
Yes.
What
Yeah.
was the feeling when you saw that first?
It was insane, but you know what? The Apple Music thing was actually crazy for me because my girl walked in there in New York because she knew that they're premiering it, and my face, like the artwork for Rudy, which this is the artwork for Nevermind. This is the other song.
Yeah.
Not this one.
Not this one. But
Not this
yeah.
one. But the artwork for Rudy was right up there on the Apple headquarters wall, in between Cardi B and Sam Smith.
Oh my goodness.
In New York City,
impressive.
like, so I'm like freaking, like I'm trying to be cool and humble. Like, no, I'm actually humble, but I'm trying to be cool and like act like I don't care. But you're like, ah!
No,
In my heart, I was like, oh my God, what? This
yeah,
is
man,
crazy.
absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Listen, our women are doing so great. From
Yes.
coffee now, we have Zia. You know, your Lila, I go with our thing. And listen, I'm very proud of our women. Very proud of you all.
Hey.
You know, you guys are taking it to another level. To be in between who Sam Smith and Cardi B.
Sam Smith and Cardi B. But you know what? It's all about Jamaica. We have to, like, you just have to send as many planes into the atmosphere, right?
Yes.
And we all have to be representing. So as many women, as many men, as many artists.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
Just
brand
that's
Jamaica to the world, right?
That song is amazing. And thank you so
you
much
so
for joining
much.
us on the
Yes.
show. And I can
Blessings,
feel
blessings,
your energy
blessings.
right now.
That's
That's it
it.
for Daytime Live today. Thanks for tuning in. Now catch us back on Friday, on Tuesday.
Yes.
With more
Buzz, chat, vibe, and mix.
Yes. Enjoy the weekend.